this.
Yeah.
Good thing we had the Zamboni.
So did they?
All right, welcome to another Scots JV hockey broadcast. Feels like it has been a while. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Boys are going to square off here against Woodbury. And I think we're going to do the starting lineups here. Going to get fancy here for the JV game.
Good afternoon, hockey fans. Welcome to
Here it is.
Woodbury for our 37th annual Premier Tournament. Let's meet the starters from Woodbury.
Starting in net, we have number 31, Larson Wood. At left wing, number 29, Marco Takagawa-Litkin. At right wing, number 13, Kellen Gold. And at center, number 28, Jack Courier. Starting at left defense, Gabrick Greenbaum. Starting at right defense, number 24, Chris Wang.
And now from Highland Park. Number 33, Felix Shaw. Number 31, Max Johnson. Number 38, Henry Billitz-Schoenwiener. Number 11, Cale Rickson. And number 19, Jacob Pazega. And number 59, Ian Wallace. Let's play hockey.
All right, there you have it. You got Cale, Jacob, and Ian are going to start at the forward line, and they'll be backed up by Felix and Henry at D. And in net, we'll have Max Johnson to start things off. So Woodbury with a formidable reputation. Got a pretty big team out there in comparison to the Scots. Not everybody, of course, but some big boys out there. So Scots coming off a 2-1 victory against Irondale in our last game, where we were handily outshot, but far more efficient with our chances. Let's play hockey. We're off. Woodbury wins the opening face-off. And Ian stands it up at the blue line. He gets dropped at about the half wall and is battling along with Henry. Henry pokes it ahead on the sidewall, and shot goes wide. Picked up by Felix. Tries to get it out. Woodbury picks it up. They're in the slot with it, and an immediate broken stick to start things off for Woodbury. That shot was broken up in the slot. So not a good start for Woodbury. At least not a good start for somebody's mom and dad financially. Puck is behind the net. Picked up by Felix. Felix goes cross ice. It's deflected, but we get it out. That's Jacob backhanding it ahead to the Woodbury blue line. They get a breakout pass to our blue line. Shot is high and wide. Soren coming across. He pokes it ahead, and Woodbury's going to need to tag up, and we restart the play in our zone. Poked up against the sidewall. Woodbury sends it back in. I guess they held the zone there. Chatterjee headed into the corner. Now Nonemacher joins him, sends it out. Soren mishandles the pass, and it gets rimmed back in along the end wall. Chatterjee in the corner again. A couple of Woodbury players come down to dispossess him. Now Jameson back behind the net. He flips it with a backhand towards the corner. And puck is cleared out of the zone. Woodbury will have to retreat. Woodbury gets it back into the zone. They drop it. Pass is mishandled and once again exits the Scott zone, and the Scots change. Woodbury gains the zone now, skating through traffic. Nifty little move, but Max just pokes it away off to his right. That's Kishel. He gets it ahead. And puck is loose. Julian in pursuit. Scott's changing a little awkward there as the puck was headed towards our bench, but we avoid the too many men on the ice call. Puck goes back to the end wall. Ian rims it around. It's held at the point by Woodbury. They send it in blocked. That goes off of Felix's pad, or shin pad, I should say. Nice little exit pass there from Julian Loreen, and that gets ahead to Henrik. Henrik trying to weave through traffic near the circle, and Woodbury picks it off. Woodbury heads up to the red line and dumps it for a change. Henry picks it up, sends it cross ice. It's picked off, intercepted by Woodbury, and we're going to get a tripping call. I think Felix is going to head to the box for that one. So Aaron pass gets picked off, and Felix has to trip his man on the ensuing sequence. That coming in right inside of the circle to the left of Max. Face off on the far side. Jameson out there to take it. Woodbury gets it. It's at the point, stick handling. They send it to the half wall, surveying the scene. Back to the blue line. D to D. D to D again, now right in the middle of the blue line. Shot is deflected by Jameson. Pass goes out front.
Tripping penalty assessed to number 33, Felix Shaw.
Chatterjee knocks down a puck that was in the air and sends it along the sidewall. Jacob fans on it, but then his clearing attempt is gobbled up at the point and sent in. Max with the save. No rebound. So face off in the Scott zone. This will be on the near side. 11:41 to go and 1:26 remaining on the Woodbury power play. Ian Wallace comes out to take the face off. Woodbury wins it. Puck drop to the point, back to the half wall, back to the point. D-man skates it in, gets it to the corner, and it goes back to the D-man, but picked off by Ian. Ian sends it all the way down. Kale's going to win that puck race easily, and it's now behind the net. Centering pass. And now Woodbury picks it up and goes behind the net. Cross-ice pass along the blue line. Still a minute 12 to go on the kill for the Scots. Henry in pursuit along with Kale. Shot. Wrister with some heat. That one goes wide. Woodbury misplays the pass cross ice, and they will have to tag up and restart this power play. Woodbury tries to skate through traffic, and Wallace dumps his man. Henrik picks up the loose puck. He skates through a couple of defenders and then sends it against the end wall. Rebounds out to Woodbury. They pick it up. Got about 35 seconds to go on their power play. Now they skate it into the zone. Puck is flipped off the plexiglass, and it's bouncing around. Woodbury comes up with it, drops it to the point, and they head back to the half wall, now into the corner. Skating around behind the net. They're looking to wrap it. Soren picks it up, clears it, sends it the length of the ice. So Woodbury down to about 10 seconds to make something happen on their power play. Long cross ice pass, that's errant. Chatterjee sends it back along the wall, but Woodbury picks it up and now gains the zone. Penalty's over. Felix out of the box. And Julian picks it up in the corner. He sends it back along the end wall to Chatterjee. There's the call. Highland Park back to full strength. So Scots kill off the first penalty of the game. That's Evan getting it up along the sidewall. Gets it to Jameson, who touches it through. And Julian goes for a big hit right behind the net. And we're going to hold the zone here. Now that's Kale with a slick move around at the half wall. He rims it around to Julian behind the net. Julian surveys the scene, gets tied up behind the net, and Woodbury picks up the loose puck. Woodbury now skating out of their zone through neutral ice, and a shot attempt is blocked by Chatterjee, and the puck ends up behind the net. Now Loreen over to the corner. He drops his man, or at least gets him off of the puck. Woodbury picks it up, loose puck at the point, and that is gathered by Chatterjee and flipped along the plexiglass by Kale. Woodbury sends it back in and goes for a change. Henry now picks it up and goes behind the net. Deflected, but Woodbury holds it at the blue line, still holding it, and we poke it out. Good physical play from Jacob to make sure that that puck exited the zone and force Woodbury out. Now Jacob across again. We're going to get a hand pass call. I think that one's going against Woodbury, so we're going to head to outside of the Woodbury zone. So a hand pass on Woodbury. 8:49 to go in the first period. That's Ian on the face-off. And Ian comes out with a quick shot there by Soren. Pad save, though, from Woodbury. That was a good quick opportunity there off of the face-off. Woodbury skates through traffic and a couple of checks, and Soren attempts to pin his man in the corner. Woodbury drops to the point, and we're going to get a whistle. Oh, the net is off. So we'll have a face-off in the Scott zone. Get an old Bon Jovi classic from the early 80s. And Jameson on the draw. Woodbury comes out with it. They're on top of the circle at the half wall now. They drop to the point, D to D. It's in the skates, though. And now you get a long shot that's deflected from the blue line. Kishel over there in the corner. And now that's picked up by Henrik. Henrik sends it ahead out of the zone. And deflected pass. Evan almost able to get a stick on it. Chatterjee battling for it. He sends it ahead. Jameson in pursuit. Jameson comes up with it. He drops it to Chatterjee, who immediately sends it back to Jameson. Jameson with a shot. It's deflected. And Woodbury comes up with it in the slot and skates out. Woodbury skates through neutral ice and dumps it into the corner. Chatterjee back to pick it up. He's got a couple of Woodbury guys back there. Gets it along the end wall to Kishel. And Chatterjee chips it out along the plexiglass behind the red line. Woodbury dumps it deep into our zone. And we get a big hit that gets absorbed by Alex. Not sure he was expecting that. And it's picked off. Soren with a little poke check. And now it's loose. Kale picks it up. Kale sends it along the sidewall, and it ricochets directly behind the net. Julian back there as well, battling for it. Kale, Soren, and we're offside. We need to tag up. Woodbury with a good breakout pass, but they make a mess of the pass. Now Felix with a slick move. Toe drags his man. Felix with a shot. That one goes high. Nice little move from Felix to get free and uncork that one. Henry picks it up at the point. He rifles it, and we've got a chance. Kale with a nice backhanded attempt. I think the netminder saved that one. Net was kind of gaping open there for just a moment, and Kale with a quick shot. Very nearly the opener for us. Woodbury sends it out of the zone, and we're back checking. Nice pressure there from Evan. And we poke it away again. That was Kale on the poke. Jacob deflects it down. Felix ends up with it. Felix rifles it at the ref, who narrowly avoids an early end to his tournament. Woodbury picks it up. They're going to skate back through neutral ice. Pass across to about the blue line. Now they're getting into the circle. Good centering pass. Nobody home. Chatterjee had it covered. Little backhanded flip from Loreen. He sends that ahead to Jacob. And good stick handling from Ian Wallace. Ian just gets dispossessed. Woodbury player jumps over the boards and pokes it away from Ian. Otherwise, he might have been gone. Chatterjee on it now. And hard shot comes in from the right circle. Rebound, but Max able to jump across and freeze it. Good couple of saves there from Max. 5:27 remaining in the first period. And we'll get a face-off on the near side in the Scott zone. Jameson on the draw. Woodbury wins it. Shot comes in from the high slot. Good save from Max. And is the net off? Nope, we're going to get a penalty. Chatterjee headed to the box. Not sure what he did. I'll await the call here.
I think it was just the net.
Oh, I think the net's off again. I thought Chatterjee was headed to the box. He looked a little glum, but still 5-on-5 hockey. Rister comes in, good block. Julian gets it with his skate, and Henrik comes up with it. He skates with some speed into the zone. Now it's picked up by Jamison. Jamison rims it along the end wall. Julian in pursuit. He's at the half wall. He sends it back. Jamison now looking to dig it out. Henrik gets into the corner. Centering pass. Woodbury kicks it away in the slot, and another centering pass. That falls to Jamison. Jamison centers to Julian. His attempt was blocked. Now it's picked up by Henrik. Henrik with a little toe drag. But Woodbury comes up with it and skates it out. Woodbury with some speed now. This one looking dangerous. Shot from short side, an outstanding save from Max. Max does really well to take care of the rebound on that one. That was trouble from Woodbury. Now Woodbury back into the zone. They're in the corner, and they change direction. Felix comes over, finishes his check, and that is enough to get that puck out of there. Good pressure from Kale. He deflects it into the zone, and we change. Evan comes across to hold at the half wall. So it'll drop to Chatterjee. A quick wrister from the blue line. That one is gloved by Woodbury. Good drop from Kale on that one. 4:03 to go in the first period. Still no score. So that'll be Kale on the draw. And we win it. Chatterjee going to unload that thing again. This time it goes wide. Alex comes across to hold the zone, but Woodbury sends it all the way down, and we'll have icing. So we'll do it again from the other side. Kale on the draw. And he gets it over to Soren, who's tied up at the half wall. Kale and Soren still battling. Soren tied up there again. Kale with him. And puck squirts free. Gonna be a puck race, no icing. Chatterjee picks it up. He goes behind the net, changes direction, gets tied up. Puck to Alex. Alex tries to get it behind the net again. He does. Evan gets dumped. No call, though. He does flip it ahead to Kale. Kale, one man to beat. And Kale likes to shoot. That one goes off of a skate, and Woodbury picks up the loose puck. Puck rims around the end wall. It's picked up by Henry. Henry changes direction to the corner. Henrik surveys the scene, sends it along the end wall. A little ahead of Chatterjee. He's not able to gather it. Now the puck is stuck on the sidewall. Woodbury comes out with it, but it's still loose. Now Kale with it at the half wall. Good chip from Kale. That one will go all the way down, though, for icing. 2:49 to go in the first period. Ian Wallace out to take the draw. And Ian ties up his man. Woodbury comes over to the blue line. Puck was deflected. Jacob deflected it. It was bouncing, but it went wide, fortunately for us. Puck at the half wall. Ian absorbs some contact. Felix comes up with it. He tries to chip it over Ian, but doesn't get very far. Now we clear it. And an errant pass backwards. Ian is going to go chase that one. Another errant pass. Flipped across through the circle, and Ian picks it up. Ian now eludes two men. He drops it to Felix. Felix is going to send in the wrister. That one is gloved by Woodbury. So now Jamison comes out to the dot. Woodbury picks it up, changes direction in the corner, flip it along the sidewall. We're going to hold it. Jamison across to win it along with Julian. And now Woodbury comes up with it in the slot. They flip it ahead softly. It's deflected. It'll head down to the corner. Woodbury going to get there first. And Felix gets away with a bit of a trip there. Jamison ahead, then a cross-ice pass to Julian. Julian gets tied up and loses sight of the puck there. And that's Woodbury losing it. Good cross-ice pass. That coming from Felix to Soren. Soren can't quite gather it though. Jamison comes up with it. Soren has it but blows a tire. Jamison looking to shoot it but unable to corral it. Now a 2-on-1 for Woodbury. This is trouble. And they bury it. Quick snapshot from the left circle. And that one beats Max. Glove side over the shoulder. Quick tidy finish from Woodbury, and that is the opener. Echo coming at 13:36 of the first. 1-0 for Woodbury. We win the face-off. Evan picks it up, and we dump it into the zone, and we'll chase. That's Kale. Puck squirts past Kale. A couple players there trying to hold, including Alex, and we're offside. We need to tag up. Woodbury now sends an errant pass across their zone,
Scoring at
and they go D to D.
13:36, number 23, Gabriel Greenbaum. Unassisted.
Pretty sure Woodbury has somebody named after Marion Gaborik. Kid's first name is Gaborik, I think. Haven't heard that one before. Time winding down here in the first period, and the puck is back in the corner. Ian with some real heat on a cross-ice exit pass. That's Kale battling for it. He's tied up. Good defensive play by Woodbury, and now Evan in pursuit. Puck behind the Woodbury net, and they get it out. Passes behind their man, though, so they're struggling to pick it up. Woodbury does gain the zone, though. They change direction. Evan comes across, and Jamison there as well. Woodbury has it at the point, eluding traffic. They get a shot off, that one well wide. Rims along the end wall, and now it's in the corner. Jacob down there along with the referee and a Woodbury player. Suck in the referee's skates, and he gets out of there as the period ends. So 1-0 at the end of one. Scots with a couple of good chances, but no score for us yet. So the Scots are back out for the second period. And we cut the music. Jamison on the draw. Jamison ties up his man, and Woodbury somehow comes out with it. They get it into the zone and change directions. Puck is sent down to the half wall. Now into the corner. Woodbury's still on it, circling the net. Now they drop it to the point. And a fan on the shot, broken up by Henrik as well. Jamison with a poke check. Now Henrik with a poke check, but Woodbury still holds the zone. They send it down deep. It's in the corner. Jacob over there with Felix trying to dig it out. Now Jamison across, and he does clear the zone. That one goes all the way down, and we will have icing. Woodbury picks up the face-off. Shot is blocked. That one was blocked by Evan. And now Chatterjee comes out with it. Chatterjee with a chip along the plexiglass. Gets it ahead. Ian Wallace in pursuit. Puck goes along the sidewall. Long wrister. That one thrown in by Chatterjee. Wallace over to the half wall to battle. He wins it. Alex D to D, and a long wrister comes in again from the blue line. That one on target from Chatterjee, but gloved by Woodbury. Ian on the face-off, and puck is behind the net. Soren looking for it, but Woodbury able to clear the zone. Only as far as Chatterjee, though. He picks it up and throws it on net. Long rebound. Nobody home, though, as we hadn't quite gotten into the zone. Woodbury now skates through with some speed to the corner. Puck is sent along the sidewall. Ian tries to clear it at the half wall, but it's deflected off of a Woodbury player. Puck in the high slot now. That shot hits the crossbar and goes into the netting. Very close to a second goal for Woodbury. Jamison out to the dot, and it's tied up, and Woodbury sends across the centering pass. Nobody there, though. Julian picks it up, sends it ahead. Shot goes in from the point, is blocked, and then another shot goes wide. Now another shot is deflected. Not quite sure where that ended up. Max able to save that one. It's just a low wrister, and I think Max gets that right in the elbow and saves it. Good save. A tricky deflection. 12:53 to go in the second. Jameson on the face-off. Ties up his man Woodbury with it now, though. They're at the blue line. Thinking about the shot, they walk it in. Good save off of the shoulder from Max. That shot had some heat. And Woodbury eluding traffic. Wow, that was an awesome save from Max. Really good setup from Woodbury. And Max just slides across and snuffs out the chance. Best save of the game so far for Max. Scots need to get it out of the zone. A little too much pressure right now from Woodbury. Henrik takes the face off, and it's loose. Chatterjee pokes it out to Soren. He gets dumped, and it's Alex battling for it. Woodbury comes up with it. Centering pass from behind the net, goes all the way out, and will chase it. Soren chasing, looking to win it back. Woodbury goes behind the net, and cross ice, long pass, and it'll be icing. So back down to the near side in the Woodbury zone for a face-off. 1-0, 12:09 to go in the second. Henrik on the dot, and Woodbury sends it along the end wall. Chatterjee steps up to hold the zone. Henrik looking to pick it up in a corner. He gets tied up, and 4 players over there now. Henrik, and I'm not sure who else is over there tied up. Might be Jacob. No, it's Soren. Soren pinned against the wall between two players, and Woodbury comes up with the puck. Woodbury skating through. Chatterjee looking for the check, and there's a quick shot from Woodbury. Max does well to save that one. Big check there from Alex in the corner, and Max saves the ensuing shot. Max busy here in the beginning of the second period. Woodbury drops the face-off win and ricochets it off the end wall. Now they go to the point. Puck is mishandled initially, but then the wrister comes in. Good defensive work from Ian to tie up his man right at the crease and make sure that there's no shot. Now we get it out. Woodbury, I thought they were offside, but referee does not signal it. Kale flips it along the plexiglass and is able to get it out of the zone, and now we'll have offside. Face-off just outside of the Scots zone on the near side. Jameson heads out to take the face-off, and he wins it. Sends it back to Henry. Henry gets it across. Nice pass to Henrik. And Henrik knocks it off of a Woodbury defender. A little confusion there. I think the goalie decided to play it. I think everybody thought he was covering it, but plays it out to his side. And the puck gets sent along the end wall. Good poke check there from Felix to hold the zone. Felix gets a stick in there again, and Henrik now holds it and sends it down to the corner. Good job holding the zone. Woodbury comes up with the puck, though. They're behind their own net, and they send it along the sidewall. That should be icing, and it will be. We'll head back down to the Woodbury zone for another face-off. We win the face-off. Alex's shot attempt is blocked, and Chatterjee back to snuff out what would have been a 2-on-0 against Max. Good, quick outlet pass. Soren with a good drop to Ian. Ian then decides to hold up and sends it deep eventually. Ian across, big check at the half wall. Now Ian battling. Ian with Soren trying to dig it out. Woodbury comes up with it. And Woodbury skates it into the zone and just sends it deep. It's behind the net, and now we're going to get a penalty. We're going to get a slash. So slash coming against Ian. Not sure there was a slash in there. Just looked like a physical play from Ian, so I'm a little perplexed by the call. But Woodbury goes on the power play with 9:31 to go in the second. D-to-D pass, and it's broken up by Alex. Good stick in there. And just like that, Woodbury converts. Shot coming in from the circle just to Max's left, and I'm not sure if the initial shot went in or the rebound. I think it was the initial shot. So that goal comes at 4:41 or 5:41 rather, of the first period, second period. 5:41 of the second. And it'll be 2-0. Scorekeeper working to keep up, and now we have it. Evans sends it into the zone, catches the referee, and is slowed up at the half wall. And puck is deflected out of the Woodbury zone. Felix picks it up, backhands it ahead to Kale, and Kale drops it to about the half wall inside of the Woodbury zone. Jamison in pursuit, and Woodbury, the long stretch pass through the zone. They get tied up and decide to dump and chase. Alex gets dropped. That looked like it might have been a tripping call. Puck is bouncing, real dangerous. Net is off.
Assisted from number 26, Devon Shear at 5:45.
They need some better pegs than these.
Yeah. So the net comes off again, and probably fortunately for us, the puck was bouncing around. Woodbury had a shot attempt. They're trying to knock it out of the air, but the net came off for us. So Ian ties up his man on the face-off, but Woodbury wins it. They go D to D. Shot comes in from the blue line and is deflected. And now Woodbury in possession, harried by Henrik. Woodbury's still on the puck, and we're going to get another penalty called. I think we're probably going to get a hook. Ref's calling it rather tight, and there's the penalty. So Ian gets rung up again, this time for a hook. I think there might have been maybe a little more in that than the last penalty, but still not sure it really warranted a call. 8:03 to go, and the Scots will have to go on the kill again.
Assessed to number 59, Ian Walsh.
D to D pass, and stick save from Max. Poked out. Julian attempts to clear, gets it to about the half wall. Woodbury goes D to D, big slap shot. But Max does well to save that one. Pretty sweet one-timer there on the slapper from Woodbury. But no problem for Max. Soren comes out to center this one. He's going to take the face-off. And Woodbury wins it. Woodbury with it at the point. Thinking about it, they go D to D instead. Passes a little behind, and now that's Julian across, ties up his man and disrupts things. Woodbury just skating around, taking their time, figuring out something. Rister comes in from the point. Not a lot on that one, so pretty easy glove save for Max. .125 to go on the kill. So doing a little better than the last time we were on the kill. Soren at the dot again for this one. And this time we win it. Chatterjee comes up with it. He changes direction in the corner. Changes direction again. Strong on the puck as usual. Chatterjee just rifles it out. Bonks it against the sidewall all the way down. And Woodbury will have to restart the attack. Jacob out to pressure. He's hustling. Good back check from Jacob. Ties up his man. And Woodbury forced to just dump. Not probably what they wanted on that zone entry. Woodbury is... Jacob deflects a passing attempt. So that goes high into the air. And now Woodbury skates through neutral ice kind of all the way across. They're looking to wrap it. No dice there, though. They drop it to the point. And they go back to the half wall, walking it in from the circle. Good cross-ice pass, but no angle there. Now it's to the point, D to D pass. Soren with a good poke. Sends it, gets it loose. 25 seconds to go on the power play. Chatterjee harrying his man behind the net. And Woodbury drops it to the blue line. They flip it backhand to the half wall. Woodbury patient here, but not really getting much in the way of attempts so far. That's deflected off the pads, and Woodbury buries the rebound. They go stick side. over Max's shoulder as he's down in the butterfly. So that goal comes at 8:51 of the second, and that will make it 3-0. Jameson on the draw. Back to Henry. Henry drops it softly to Felix. He gets it ahead to Jameson, and he will send it down low. Jameson and Kale in pursuit. Gets to the point, kind of bonks off the sidewall. And now Woodbury with another dangerous opportunity. Max seals off the short side. Not a lot of danger in the end on that one. Centering pass. That one's loose. Loose in the slot. And we clog it up just enough. Jameson gets it ahead to Kale, who clears it out of the zone.
Matthew Gross from number 26.
Evan with a good hold.
And number 34, Alex Wayne. Time of goal, 9:51.
And so now that is Henry looking to hold things at the half wall, but Woodbury gets it out. They drop it, but they're offside. So head to center ice for this face-off. 5:11 to go in the second period. Ian on the draw. Woodbury gets it into the zone. They drop it, and shot goes wide. Julian back there ties up his man, wins the puck, and Alex gets it ahead to Ian. He's tied up at about the half wall. Ian's still battling to clear the zone, and Alex trying to get it ahead to Julian. Puck still loose, and Ian getting into it with another player. So Ian headed back to the box along with a Woodbury player. Get coincidental minors there. I think we're probably just going to get 2 roughing calls. Ian, I think, maybe with a bit of retaliation there. But we will stick with 5-on-5 hockey. Jameson comes out to center the line. Woodbury, quick goal right off the face-off. Play was well set up, and they just bury it from the high slot.
For Highland Park, number 59, Ian Wallace. And from Woodbury, number 28, Jack Courier.
So 4-0, that goal coming with 4:43 to go in the second period. Jameson with an opportunity there, sends it into the goalie's chest pads, and will do a face-off from the far side in the Woodbury zone. Jameson on the draw, we win it. Henry sends it in softly, it ends up on Soren's stick. He's not able to do anything with it though. Good centering pass, quick shot from the slot. That was Jacob whipping it in. Woodbury goalie saves it though. So still 2 players in the box, but still 5-on-5 hockey. Soren to take the face off. And Woodbury wins this one. They skate it out of the zone, flip it ahead.
Point for Woodbury, number 18.
Centering pass, a shot, a save, and then a juicy rebound, but Woodbury not able to capitalize.
10-15.
So 10-15 the last goal coming at. Jacob gets dumped, and Soren in pursuit, but Woodbury gets it out to the half wall. Felix trying to send it up the sidewall, does just enough to poke it away. Soren pokes it away. Puck dies in the snow, just inside of the Scott zone. And Henry just whips it all the way down. That's going to be icing. 3:47 to go in the second. 4-0 hole for the Scots. So Henrik on the draw. Woodbury comes up with it. And shot from a tight angle, blocker save. Might have went off the stick, actually the skinny part of the stick on the save. Woodbury skating around. They drop it to the point. It's on the player's backhand. He gathers it. Shot comes in. It's blocked by Chatterjee. And he sends it along the end wall to Julian. Julian back to Chatterjee. He stick handles through traffic but loses it. And we get a high shot. Thought it might have been in the netting, but apparently not. Puck is still loose. Henrik comes across to disrupt things. And Henrik now trying to skate it out. He loses it, but Chatterjee gets it ahead. He flips it up along the plexiglass, and Julian is going to go skate into the zone in pursuit. Puck is loose. We're going to get a chance. Kale flips in a backhand, and there was a really attractive looking rebound, but we didn't have anybody to knock it into the open net. Alex back, he picks it up. His pass is picked off, and Woodbury elects to go behind the net. They drop it to the point where it is sent along the end wall. Shot comes in from a tight angle. That one goes high over the crease. And Woodbury's still with it. Changes direction behind the net. Good save from Max. Max just poked away the centering pass, which was coming from behind the net. And it's tied up at the point. And Henrik is able to get out of there with it. Julian in pursuit. And slick toe drag from Woodbury, but that causes them to be offside. And Julian comes over to deliver a little hit. So the faceoff will be just outside of the Scott zone with 1:58 remaining in the second period. The score at 4-0 in favor of the Suburbanites. Cross-ice pass at the red line. Woodbury retreats into their own zone to set things up. And their pass is errant. Goes off the sidewall. It's poked ahead. Soren unable to gather a pass that was in the air. And he comes across and combines with Felix to dispossess Woodbury and get it out of the zone. Now Soren picks it up. His pass is behind Jameson, so he's unable to get anything on that. Woodbury now heads down to the corner. Deflected shot. Picked up by first Jacob, then Jameson. Jameson now with some speed. He dumps it deep. And we're going to try to get down low. And Jacob battling his man in the corner. And now the puck comes loose. Woodbury picks it up and skates it out of the zone.
1 minute remaining in the second period.
1 minute to go in the second. Get a shot. That one hits the crossbar. Dangerous shot, similar to the opening goal. And Woodbury now with it. Woodbury just going back and forth, two-man game. And their defenseman comes up with it at the point. Just stick handling around us. Looking kind of tired out there, I think. Felix pins his man at the half wall. Puck is loose. I think it's in the skates of Jameson. Now Woodbury pokes it loose, and their centering pass is shot just wide. And they blow a tire. Jacob clears the zone, overskates it a little bit though, and Woodbury able to regroup and enter the zone. Drop pass to the top of the circle, gloved by Max. 10.4 to go in this second period. Still 4-0 in favor of Woodbury. Julian out to take the draw. And Woodbury comes up with it. It's in the circle and loose. Now it's in the corner. Alex pins his man. Evan comes across to help out. And that will be enough to kill off the second period. 4-0, not the best period for the Scots. So we'll wait for the Zamboni to come on and regroup during the intermission.
These guys need a pep talk.
Yeah.
All right, we're back for the third and final frame of this opening game of the Premier Tournament, the 37th annual Premier Tournament, in case you're keeping track. Woodbury in recent history has done quite well at this tournament, usually finishing first or runner-up, along with Hastings for the last couple of years. So we could really use a couple of quick goals here to start making it seem like things are in reach. So we'll see what we can do. Jameson on the draw. He's centering the line to start things off here. And Jameson picks it up at the red line, sends it in. Woodbury picks it up and skates it out. They flip it into the zone. It's knocked out by Felix. Picked up by Jameson. He tries to go cross ice, but it ends up getting poked away. And that is flipped up along the plexiglass by Felix to clear the zone. Woodbury goes D to D, looks to break out, but we're across to break things up. And that puck picked up by Woodbury. They send it along the sidewall. Get a big hit from Felix. He drops his man and then clears the zone and absorbs a hit of his own. So we get it into the zone initially, and then it's at the blue line, our blue line, and gets flipped up ahead. Woodbury now skates into the zone. And trouble there. Backhanded shot, or centering pass, I should say. That one goes begging. Alex ties up his man in the corner and comes out with it. Sends it along the end wall. And it's ahead. Evan dumps it into the zone. Woodbury with it now behind their own net. They get it up to the half wall. Jameson comes across, tries to hold the zone. He's helped by Soren, and Soren flips it ahead. Soren now at the half wall trying to hold, but just too many defenders. Puck comes out, gets as far as Julian and Henry, and then we send it back in. Jameson is out to take the face-off. He drops it to Henry, who gets it to Felix. He then drops it gently into the zone to Julian, who's battling at the half wall for it. He's tied up, and the puck ends up behind the Woodbury net. Woodbury just sends a really slow puck out of their zone and then skates onto it. They whip it in from the half wall, and it rims all the way along the end boards. Puck's in the corner. Soren's going to pick it up near the half wall. Sends it out, flips off of a skate. Julian tries to get around a couple of guys. No luck there. And then tries to get it ahead to Soren. It's intercepted and put into our zone. Woodbury with it at the blue line. They pass it over to the right circle. Try to flip it to the slot, but it ends up at the blue line. Long wrister goes in. That one is wide. Felix has it in the corner. He's tied up. Soren pokes it out. Still in the corner. Now Henrik across. And it gets sent along the end wall. Shot goes wide and behind the net. Actually, maybe it wasn't a shot. Henrik pickpockets his man. He's got a chance here. And pad save from Woodbury as Henrik pulls the trigger quickly, as he kind of had to. Had one person coming behind him. Henrik with the back check now, picks it up. He's got some space, comes all the way behind the net, looks around, and he's going to get stood up at the blue line. Puck is loose.
Oh, I see. They printed it on the program. Evan ships out there also.
Okay. So Finn Warner out there. I thought he was number 21, but he's printed as number 12 in the program, which is a typo. Max comes out to play it. He sends it back along the end wall. And that's dropped. Puck is behind the net. Jameson now with it. He sends it back along the end wall. Woodbury picks it up at the point and tries to skate in. But good stick work there. That was Evan Shipp poking it away. Now Finn Warner's in pursuit. And Finn gets a stick in there. Woodbury with a little drop pass. They skate through, but they're tied up. Jameson comes out with it. And we skate ahead. Quick shot comes in. That one goes off the side netting. That was Cale Rickson with a quick shot in. And Woodbury uncorks a wrister from the right circle. That one goes high over the crossbar. Puck's at the half wall. And that's Evan Stokes in pursuit. Woodbury sends it along the end wall. Soren gets a stick on it, but unable to gather it. Woodbury gains the zone, changes direction. Quick wrister from the right circle. That goes wide. Soren hits his man, and Henry comes up with the puck, pushes it ahead. Woodbury recirculates it into our zone. They pick it up at the point, and we send it out along the sidewall. Woodbury picks it up at their own blue line. They go against the sidewall. It's an errant pass. Picked up by Henry, but Woodbury comes back to gather it. Henry down there in the corner battling. And that's Finn Warner picking off the pass that had ricocheted off the sidewall. Soren comes across and ties up his man. Julian sends it cross ice, and the Scots go for a change. Finn's still out there pursuing in the corner. Woodbury drops it, and that was Evan Shipp delivering the hit at the half wall. Puck is now behind the net and quickly ahead. Quinn Winkleman out there as well now. And quick shot comes in from above the right circle. Alex flips it ahead softly to Henrik. It's in his skates, but Henrik does well to gather it. He gets in, tries to change direction at the half wall, but gets stood up. Now Evan Shipp in pursuit as well. And Woodbury still stick handling through neutral ice. And Evan is going to make him pay for that. We look to exit the zone quickly, but we turn it over, and Woodbury fires in a shot from the high slot. Puck is stuck in the zebra skates, and Alex comes out with it. And he sends it in a long wrister from the red line, forces Woodbury's netminder into a save. Cale comes across to hold the zone. He flips it ahead with a backhand. Evan is on it now, but he gets tied up. Cale comes down into the circle to win it. Attempted backhanded centering pass gets deflected, and the puck is at the half wall. Woodbury now elects to go behind their own net and then send it along the end wall. Not enough on it to clear initially. Jameson holds, but then Woodbury comes out with the loose puck and sends the breakout pass forward. Felix gets in the way of his man and forces him behind the net. Woodbury picks it up at the half wall, goes into the corner, and we got three Scots players coming down. Julian comes up with it. He sends it across, but his pass is picked off in the slot, and Woodbury makes no mistake and buries it for their fifth goal of the game. So that goal coming at 8:19 of the third, and that will make it 5-0. So the music is back, and Henrik is out to take the face-off. He's joined by Finn Warner on his left and Soren Reitziger on his right. Woodbury wins the face-off. They go D to D. Henrik in pursuit along with Finn. He stands up his man. Soren overskates it, but Henrik comes up with the loose puck. That's Quinn Winkleman sending it forward, and Soren drops it to Finn. Finn and Soren combine to get it deep into the Woodbury zone. They then send it along the end wall, and long exit pass.
Woodbury, number 25.
No icing.
Nathan Johnson.
Max needs to play that one.
24, Chris Wayne. At 8:19.
Soren's pass goes off of Henrik's skate but falls kindly to Alex. He gets into the zone and drops it kind of towards the corner on the near side. Woodbury comes up with it though, and a little loose with their stick handling. Finn with a chance now, and he puts it in. Finn buries it. Finn goes stick side from the left circle and just gets it right over the shoulder. Not sure the tender was expecting that one. A nice quick shot from Finn, and we get on the board. 5-1. 5:44 to go in the game. That one coming at 9:16 of the third. Really good shot from Finn. Felix comes up with it and sends it along the plexiglass. Jameson in hot pursuit. He's joined now by Evan Stokes, who is over there battling at the half wall with Jameson. Stokes comes up with it. He drops it, and Henry sends in a good shot. That was kind of a bouncing puck, forced a pad save. Rebound, but we weren't able to get a shot off. Now Felix is going to hit the slapper. He got all of it, but it went well wide. Puck's loose out there. We had a rebound attempt. Jameson tied up, though. So Evan Ship comes across, and we hold the zone. That's Henry. He kind of backhands it towards the end wall, and Woodbury comes up with it. Now they skate out of the zone, and Evan comes across. Evan Ship, that is. And Ship with it.
Number 21, unassisted at 9:16.
So you have the call, Finn Warner, unassisted at 9:16 of the third. And the puck is behind the Woodbury zone. Warner picks it up, flips it into the center. Not able to gather it for a shot, though. Woodbury now comes out with it. They send it in from above the blue line. Max just plays that out with his stick to the side. Soren ties up his man at the half wall, sends it softly back to the point. Not enough on it to clear the zone, though. Woodbury's shot is wide, and now we clear. No icing. Icing waved off. And Soren in pursuit behind the net. And we pick it off. Finn sends it into the net. Soren now looking to get on it behind the net. He ties up his man. Somebody loses a glove. I think it's Woodbury. Soren sends it back to about the half wall. Alex tries to get it back, but not enough on it to get it back to Soren. Woodbury picks it up, gets through the zone, or gets to the neutral zone, and sends off a quick wrister from the left side. Max with a glove save. 3:42 to go in this contest. 5-1 in favor of Woodbury. So Julian on the dot to take this face off. Back to the point. Woodbury with a long wrister pad save from Max. It's Alex now in the corner, and stick down well by Henrik. Unfortunately, Henrik inadvertently kicks it ahead a little too far. Evan, though, is backing him up, and he gets it ahead. Good centering pass. Nobody in the slot, though. Just a little ahead of Julian, who is streaking in. Quinn picks it up. He goes cross ice. His pass a little ahead of Evan. And now Quinn's clearing attempt gets picked off, but we do enough to send it back into the corner. Woodbury with it. They drop it to the point. Good stick handling. They get to the half wall. Centering pass, that's broken up by Alex. Now Alex comes across to the corner. He's assisted by Julian, and drop pass comes way out of the zone and is going to go all the way back. Henrik in pursuit. He's chasing into the corner and now behind the net. Jameson out now to try to assist. Woodbury still skating through. Looked like they might have been offside, but they get away with it. Woodbury just skating around. Really need somebody to step out and snuff that out, but the shot goes high and wide. Now Kale comes through with it. He drops it softly into the corner, and we chase. Puck's behind the net. Kale looking for it. Woodbury comes up with it in the corner, and they get it ahead. It's going to be a breakaway. Max with an outstanding job. He seals the near side and stones the Woodbury player, who was probably thinking he was going to have a goal there. Woodbury picks it up in the corner. They drop it to the point, and it's in. Shot goes in. Pad save. Felix now gets pinned against the wall. Jameson comes up with the loose puck. And Evan looking to make something happen. Evan just knocks the Woodbury glove halfway across the rink. Kind of a good piece of gamesmanship there from Evan Shipp. Woodbury with the pass. It's mishandled into the zone. And now Woodbury sends it back. Kind of an ill-advised pass. Might have gotten deflected. Then Warner into the corner. He, with some good pressure, Soren comes up with it. And Soren's going to take it out of the zone. Nowhere to go with it. He drops it to Quinn. Quinn sends it into the corner. Now Quinn's going to pursue it. Step into the play. And we hold the zone. Puck is knocked down. Soren's going to come up with it. He gets to the corner. He tries to spin and does get it back to the end wall. Evan overskates it a bit, though. He's looking for a check. 1 minute to go in the game. And Woodbury is going to have a 3-on-1 here. 3-on-0 now. And Max does well. Saves it. Quinn took exception to something and dropped his man after the play. So 40.5 to go in this game. So that's Jameson taking the draw. Quinn comes up with it. He goes behind the net. Sends it to Julian at the half wall. And Woodbury comes up with a loose puck. Deflected pass. Still loose at the circle. It's ahead to Julian. Julian gets some speed. He takes it through neutral ice. 3 Woodbury players ahead of him, and he elects to rim it along the end wall. Henrik picks it up in the corner. And we're going to get a tripping call. There's 14 seconds to go. Not even really worth calling at this point. So Henrik will take a seat in the box to close out this game. 12 and a half seconds to go. Not the shortest penalty he'll ever take, but probably in the top 10 or so. Jameson on the dot. Woodbury wins it, gets it to the point. They're looking for one more goal here. Shot comes in. Max is just going to fall on that one after there was a rebound on the short side.
Penalty assessed to number 25, Henrik Jordan. Tripping.
So tripping the call, if I didn't mention that before, on Henrik. Jameson takes the face-off. 5 seconds to go. Woodbury's still looking for one last goal. They get it in. It's deflected off of Quinn's stick. And that will be the game. 5-1, your final. Scots will look to regroup tomorrow morning against Cambridge. Cambridge dropped their opening game 6-3 against St. Louis Park, just ahead of our game. So we'll see you at 10 a.m. tomorrow on New Year's Eve. Have a good evening, everybody.